So the topic is loops. Loops are used to run some statements at given number of times, and loops are also used to do some task for the given number of times. Like we want to print five numbers, so we will loop five times to print five numbers. So we are having two loops, while loops and for loops. So in the while loop, we need to create a variable. So we are in the example here, we are having a while loop and we are creating a variable I equal to 1. So we are creating I, and then we are using for loop, while loop. In the while loop, we need to, the syntax is we need to give the keyword while, and we need to give the statement, the condition. So here the condition is I is less than 6. If I is less than 6, the loop will run. If I is not less than 6, if I is greater than 6 or equal to 6, the loop will not run. It will break, and the all the output will be printed. So here we are having print I, and then we are having I plus equal to 1. So it is equal to I is equals to I plus 1. So the I is incrementing here. So if we are having I is equals to 1, then it will be I equal to 2. Then it will go for while I, condition check I is less than 6. If it is less than 6, then the print condition will be run, and then the I will be incremented. Then the I will be go here for the while loop, and the condition will be checked. This is how the while loop works. So the second is for loops. The example is different from the while loop. Here we are having a list of three items. Here we are having three strings: apple, banana, and cherry, and we are running a for loop in this list. So we are having x as a variable for as a iterable for iterating in the list. So we will print x. What is x? The x is the string in the list. So for x in fruits, so it will get the first, that is zero index string, that is apple. Then it will print apple. Then it will take index one string, that is banana. Then it will print banana, and then it will take cherry and will print cherry. So here we are having a print statement. So print statement prints the string or the number that is given to printing. So it will print, and the line break, then it will print the next, then line break, then it will print. So print statement default line breaks. So the next we will see an example how to print 10 numbers using while loop. So here we are creating I is equals to 1 and I is less than 10. If I is less than 10, then our loop will work. So here we can see that we are having colon, and then we are pressing enter, and we are having a indent or a tab here. So if we remove this tab and will print I, and if we will increment I is equals to I plus 1, and if we run this, then it will give us an error, that is indentation error. Indentation error is like we need to give a space here. So if we are creating a block, so while loop creates a block, so here we are having a block of while loop. If we create a block, or if we uh, use this colon, then the block will started, and all the lines we are having in this block will be indented at the same space. So we need to give the same space for every line. So here we are starting the line with the tab, then the next line will also start with the tab. So here this is a block of while loop. So now we'll run this. and it is printing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is not printing 10, because if the condition is I is equals to 10 and the condition will go here, so 10 is less than 10. This is not true. 10 is equal to 10. So the condition is false, then the loop will be break. So if we want to print 10, you need to give the condition like I is less than and equal to 10. So here we are using the another operator equal to. So let's print this. Now we are having 10 in the output. So this is how we can work with while loop. So if you want to print 10 uh, number 1 to 10, you can use for loop and range function. Range function start from 0 and go till the go till n. So here we are defining n as 10. So it will start from 0 and go to 10. So the range will be from 0 to 10. If you print I, it will print 0 to 10, but 10 will not be included. So here we are having 10 numbers 0 to 9. So if we print I plus 1, the output will be from 1 to 10. So here is the output. This is how we can work with for loops. We don't need to increment I here, as we are incrementing in while, because by default for loop increment I. So this is how the for loops work.